Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Discord mic is not working. And for this, first of all, we need to check if our PC is connecting with our mic. So what we're gonna do is go to left in the bottom to start, click on settings, go to system, and then click on sound. Because from here we can check if our PC is seeing our mic. And first of all, we go to input, where we have choose your input device. Now, we have already our microphone, that's the Yeti Classic, but select your mic. When your mic is not popping up just right here, then you need to fix the connecting with your mic in your PC, because then that is the problem. Then after this, click on Manage Sound Devices and make sure that your mic is standing just right here. And my mic have that, so what we're gonna do now is go back, and then now we go to Discord. Now, first of all, sometimes you mute yourself. So what we're going to do now is make sure that you disable this setting right here. And from here we go to user settings. And from there we go to voice and audio, voice and video. Then right here we have the input device, and make sure that the input device is on your microphone. So for me, that's the microphone Yeti Classic. And after that, make sure that your input volume is on the max. Then after that, we can do a mic test. So if you do, check the mic test, you see that the bars are loading. So from here, right now, you can see that our mic is working. So now we do stop testing. Then make sure that you select voice activity. So once you did push to talk, you need to fill in keybinds when you will talk. So that's not a nice setting for now. So I recommend voice activity. And then the last thing, or the last two things, is you need this green bar. So when you don't have this green bar, scroll down to advanced voice activity. And when you don't have that bar, you can turn this setting off. So make sure that you turn this setting off. And after that, you need to receive this green bar, and then your mic will work. All right, after all these options, if your mic's still not working, then you scroll down and then you do reset voice settings. And after this, you can do all the things that I showed you again. And after that, it needs to work. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. If you have questions, please comment them below so I can help you out. And then for now, thanks for watching.